There we go. I'll just keep the recording. It's such a beautiful song. Also, don't give me love as he can't leave it hardly.
Yes!
What is wrong with this song? Also, that's gotta be first one. I almost heard this instead of
They're recording. I didn't realize.
Today is the roast of our daily Jason Derulo.
I did it. It's in a song though. I think we should do this next year. Stand card.
Oh, you don't want to get more. Oh, shoot. Yeah.
I started learning it, but I'm not. Oh my god.
This is their song. Yeah, I just know that part. That's that part.
All right, wait.
Y'all are just I love this song, but I can't talk about it.
Stan SF9.
This is the right song.
I'm just waiting for this to start.
That's bucket hat. I'm gonna get a bucket hat.
Right? TLC 2020. Oh yes! What?
You're a model, I said. Dave, you're gonna have it. You're gonna have it. What is model in Chinese? That. Like model?
Like model? Why?
Like, you know, model.
Yeah, 模特。
Yeah, that. I said you look like what?
Stand with us.
No, when you're back like this, you look like what?
So I'm saying, stand with us.
Yeah, like videos that are like this type of go.
Can you see those? How do you do that? I can't do that.
Bro, I barely learned this. It was like, I took like.
Whoa! I did! I have Selena doing an Old Town Road version of this, like, my song.
Oh shit! She did that!
Oh, went the wrong way. I'm cutting that part out, by the way. You know what?
Jason Derulo.
Oh my god. Oh, that's it? Oh, can we play Please We Don't Need Your Love? I don't know the dance, but like...
What a bop. What a headbanger. What a knee slapper.
Actually,
Oh, good.
wow.
Excuse me.
Wait, let me. I got you. Wait, I'm trying to burp.
Yeah.
Do you have a song?
No, I don't.
I can't burp.
No, I don't.
Martin, I thought you had my back.
I'm sorry. We're not that close. I don't even love you anymore.
Oh my
We have no more love within our relationship. I'm breaking up with you.
Do y'all ever
I'm pregnant with your child. Your children.
Oh, that's cute.
Wait, it's not a face.
Who are they?
They're little kids. I was 7 when I did Taekwondo. I did Taekwondo from second to fourth grade.
Black? What? Like,
Yeah, I know.
Black
I think
one.
I got to like green belt, and then I kind of just moved.
I mean, when I was in Taekwondo,
Anna, you did Taekwondo, right?
7. Then I was in kindergarten.
Wait, which song?
That was
I'm gonna go down real quick. Alex, I'm pregnant with your child.
Card?
Sorry, I'm busy.
Sorry, B, I'm busy, but that's okay because I'm pregnant with your children. They're twins.
Oh, this thing.
Oh, this one?
Alex is this on the date. Well, can I actually know something? Whoa! And we caught that on camera! Whoa!
We have Josh slut dropping on camera.
You need to send that to me, by the way. That's going in this video.
Hell yeah.
No, that was terrible. That was so terrible.
Let's be honest here, I am the oldest.
That's not
No,
true.
that's not true.
You're like, I don't agree with that.
I don't think so. You were that.
You raised my hairs unless he was not.
Wait. How old is that? I don't know that. Are you excited for school to be over? How many plans for the summer? Oh, fun! I'm doing nothing! Show us photos. I know I will never go to China in my life because I'm broke.
I went to China.
So
like,
just send photos.
Kevin's rich.
No, I went to China one day. Bro.
He has an S8 and AirPods.
While we wait for Alice.
What?
Get AirPods.
So?
So what?
I bought it like 2 years ago.
I have AirPods with my name on them.
While we're waiting for Alice to get back so we can do baby
Not to
shark.
flex or anything, it was a free upgrade and all, but I had my name on it.
Again?
Yes, always.
Ooh, that's cool.
Yeah.
Oh my god, you guys are obsessed with it.
Oh yeah, these.
Dalila Mejino, I'm a fashion killer, word to Jangali. I know he cupping that Valentino. Ain't no telling me no. I'm the bitch you know. I got white for these stars. You don't get wins for that. Having another good year. We don't get wins for that. That's the gang still go. We don't get wins for that. I'm not the white dude, did a wrong. Shimmy, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah. Shimmy, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah. Good money, Jay-Z.
Oh my god, oh my god.
Y'all know what
Someone
girl?
hold my
Get in your
I asked for a song
Someone hold
after
my
this.
AirPods.
Everyone who did
Let me
the
take a
dance-
shot first.
Huh?
Please take a shot first.
This way.
This way, okay.
Y'all know your position. So what I did, because I switched two spots.
It's
So
on.
you're gonna be where I
We
was.
burp it
so
out
I'll
all
be
nice.
where
Let's
you
do like 3 times to make sure.
So
Or
Already
two.
through 40, what?
Okay.
I can't dance because I'm pregnant with Alice's children.
Oh.
What is the scandal here?
You shouldn't have left.
Nothing happened.
Everything happened. She left me.
But we
A single mother.
Love that connection. I love that connection.
Okay, let's do that again.
You know what? I love when it always comes to Baby Shark, no connection whatsoever.
Your Chromebook is
Let's make it like
Chromebook is done
1,
with
1, 2, 1, 4, 4. Yeah.
Take a shot before you're
Let me take a shot. Okay, let's
Okay,
go. Let's switch.
Someone record this.
It's already recording. I watched brain cells doing that.
Alright,
Alex and I
we're
are
gonna have a shot competition to decide who gets custody of the children. What?
Wait, go get your love.
I asked her a song after this.
Oh yeah, you can play it.
There you go. You're here.
I'll stand it
Your earbuds are about to be, your eardrums are about to be blessed.
Everyone are having a shot competition. Someone record this.
Okay.
Wait, give me your phone. My phone.
3, 2, 1.
Kevin,
Kevin.
you can rewatch it. Yeah, good job. 30 minutes of footage right here.
Need your love.
I know this is Michael Jackson one.
Guys, let's have a bet. I bet it's something about God 7.
I bet it's
I'll
Michael
cover it, I'll
Jackson.
cover it.
Alright, Alice and I. Okay, Alice, we need to have a cup. Alright. No. Fortunately, I couldn't buy a cup.
I'm scared. I don't like that.
Wait, is there one of Jackson's song? Like, how
No, I heard. Cover it.
Cover it.
But
Are they still betting what it is? Or are they stuck?
Babylon.
someone record that. Yeah, probably that
Okay,
song.
bad.
Okay, alright. Yeah, send that to me.
I see Jackson already.
3, 2,
Yeah. Babylon.
Go.
Wait, Susan.
I wasn't wanted to.
Super
Get,
good.
I want to pick Super X. Yeah, it was like such a hot. But this one is.
Okay, we didn't guess the song, but we could have.
Oh my god. I got something. That is not fair. I do not accept that.
Oh.
Okay, I just need to make sure. Anna.
Ooh.
Where's the?
Oh. Oh. I think
Oh, did it go back?
What?
Can I make a pack of Oreos to tell my brother I love him?
Wait, give me a second.
I think fuck.
No, let's do like guesses. Guess like what song will the other person pick.
Okay, let me do that.
Wait, give me a second.
Okay.
Oh, and it was like that. Look at that one.
I'm trying to see where the church was.
I'll see it. It's like too ugly, and then she was like,
Oh my god.
Oh, it's gone!
Wait, sir, like a dance. A new dance.
yeah, so
No,
we need it.
Okay, let me.
Mirrored?
Yeah.
Because all
We gotta restart it for the full effect.
Yes.
I'm posting this.
Oh, she wants that whole effect. I'm so glad we're both recording on this. Sexy! Motherfucking gentleman! Motherfucking gentleman! Motherfucking gentleman! Motherfucking gentleman!
Again? Breaking forever and never go home.
No, we should just do all size songs.
Yeah, yes.
Everyone remember those who took with third grade?
I
Give me a second. I got one.
Random part.
That's my song.
Oh, we should do champion. Champion is so awesome.
I don't know this song. I don't know it right now.
I got it from my daddy. Whoa! That's Oh, yeah. Okay, let's start. Oh, really great
Hey guys, just finish. Say that you guys were awesome with society. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
By the way, the multicultural video has now run over 2,500 views on YouTube. That's 2,000. Over 2,500. Make this. Trixie from UA, stand in T127. Please make sure you guys look up all your
Actually, no, I'm on a diet, obviously.
Okay.
Oh my
Okay.
god, you should eat more
Okay.
You're right.
Anyone wants last two?
Okay.
My mom's gonna
Do you want to take the container home or have yours?
I'll take it home for my brothers. They're fine. Yeah, take something anyway. I can't remember.
Anybody want the last of this squirt soda?
I'll take it. Actually, it's great as
I want one, and
5
one
years
just
old.
for take away forever.
I say go for it.
No, it's a. Pick up your trash, guys. More like squirt. Oh, there's that more. Is it? Alice, is this yours? No, no. It's probably not. Wait, where's my phone? Oh, wait. Yeah, we should all get a picture of Mr. Wu before we all leave.
Lit or up Mr. Lou?
Both.